Hello and welcome to You Should See This, an online repository of things you really should see. It makes me so excited to do science with my dad. Wait, what?
Holy shit.
Once a week I pay this guy to do this to my nutsack. No jokes. Talking of balls, these kids have got some balls.
Pot. A little pot. Like, I'm just gonna give a little pot here.
But I carry a bag. All right.
What?
Did you say a little pot?
Yeah.
Hey, like I said, I have a badge, so I suggest you remove yourself from here.
I'm just.
Hey,
Let me just
you
do
get
this
what
real
I
quick. Yeah.
I can get you arrested right now if you want to.
Dude, no.
Ho.
This is just what me and my friends can have a good time tonight, dude. Thanks a lot.
You guys missed out.
Check it out, this old the car even open the door, sweet as that.
I hate birds. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And until next time, goodbye!